In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get paid per click. I'll be showing you real methods, real strategies, a real case study, and a step-by-step strategy for you to do this. Let's begin. I will be going over a particular method in this tutorial that is completely free to do and is what I think is the best and easiest method. There is another common method that many people do where they will use websites like Swagbucks and Neobucks, where you click on ads and make some cash on the side. While this does work, I want to show you this other method that can earn you significantly more money. I want you to have a stable online income stream. So the method I will be showing you is affiliate marketing. It really just boils down to promoting a product. And this can literally be anything. It could be a physical product, a digital product, a service or software, etc. And whenever you promote these products for other businesses or companies, you will earn a commission with these products. And I want to walk you through the entire process of selecting your product to promoting your product and getting your first commission. So first, we will pick the product. So a great product I want to pick for today's video is renderforest.com. This is a service for anyone who would like to create or design something online, whether it's videos, logos, presentations, graphics, websites, etc. So just head over to renderforest.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, then click Affiliate Program right here, and it will show you the 3 steps you need to complete. First, sign up for an account, spread the word about this application, then get paid. And then if you scroll down even further, you can see that there are over 8 million users on this platform. And if you'd like, you can sign up and sign in for an account, test it out yourself to see if you like it, then begin promoting it. And the payout is great because you can earn 20% commissions from yearly subscriptions and single product sales, then earn 35% from monthly subscription sales, which are great affiliate commissions. So to begin, just click here where it says Apply to Start Earning first. After you click that, then you will want to just fill in some personal information about yourself. Then below that, you will fill in information where it says Company Information. And you don't actually have to have a company for this. This is in regards to your online presence like your website, social media presence, etc. So you can put your website name here, then enter the URL to your website here, and you want to make sure that you add your own custom website with your domain. Then below this is pretty basic information you can fill out. Now for promotional information, this will be a crucial step. If you have a website, you will select Content, check Website right here, and then paste your website URL here in this box, then select Social Networks right here if you use any of these other social media platforms. Then scroll to the bottom and just click the button that says Sign Up. After you've signed up and created your account, you can then head over to this website, app.impact.com/login. This will then allow you to log into your account. This is what your main dashboard will look like, and you can see things like your available balance, your upcoming balance. You can track all of your clicks, actions, payouts, create a link over here, and then you can select the affiliate program you signed up for, so I'll select RenderForest. Then I'll click Create Link, which will give me my affiliate link. So I want to show you something important that you should know about. You will want to click here where it says Settings and open it. If you scroll to the bottom, you will be able to set up your preferred payment method in order to receive your earnings. And then up here, you have the content section where you can find things like email swipes, banner ads, and more. But let's go back here to Brands and click My Brands. Here in my Impact account, you can see that I have RenderForest right here. If I click on it, it will show the details in the percent commission. And then here you can see deep linking right here is enabled. This is super important. Having deep linking enabled will allow you to promote the service in several different methods and enable you to earn more commissions and therefore make more money. So next, just click Create Link right here, select RenderForest, click Create, then copy your link here, and now you can begin promoting and earn money online. So now I'd like to share some tips and tricks to help you manage and promote this product consistently and earn more commissions. So now that you have your affiliate link, the next thing you will want to do is shorten your link. And I will show you how you can do this totally for free. If you head over to this website called bit.ly.com, you can shorten your link by clicking Create New, then clicking Link, and then just pasting your long affiliate link right here and click Create down here. Once you complete that, you will have your new shortened link right here. This is super important because in order to be able to share this on social media, you must shorten your link into a new customized link. Another reason is that the service or product you are promoting might change your affiliate link if they have a change in their business. So make sure you always use a link shortener like bit.ly whenever you receive your affiliate link. So now the next step is to actually start promoting. We want to start making money with this method. So a great way is to create an article or blog post about RenderForest for people to read, get value, then click on your affiliate link to sign up with RenderForest. So you are probably thinking to yourself that you don't want to actually have to write an article or blog post, and where do you even post that online? I will walk you through both of these steps right now. So first, let me show you how you can use and share an article without actually writing the article yourself. What I want you to do first is search RenderForest Review on Google, click on a link that has a review and explanation of RenderForest, then open another tab and search quillbot.com. Quillbot is a paraphrasing tool that allows you to copy and paste text in here that will reword it for you. You can then use this new paraphrased text as your own words to then share anywhere online for yourself without getting plagiarized. So just copy the text from the article, and you'll have to do this in sections because you can only paraphrase about 100 characters on Quillbot at a time. Then paste your paraphrased text onto a Google document and repeat this process until you have finished the entire review. Once you've completed that, you will then have a new review that will be in your own words. Now what you can do is head over to Quora.com and answer any and all questions that are related to your service. So all you need to do is search for something like video editing or video editing software and answer any questions people have about good video editing softwares by posting your review of RenderForest that you created with Quillbot. So for example, I might click on this person's question, then click answer right here. Then I'll go to my Google Doc of my RenderForest review, copy this, then paste it into this box here on Quora in order to answer this person's question. And your answer will be on here for a long time, which essentially will create a passive income stream for yourself. And you can repeat this process with any questions people have on here that relate to video editing, editing softwares, etc. So I hope you learned a lot from this video and received a lot of value. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click on this video right here.